Today is day 36 and the canopies are coming along great. No training at all. I've just been pinching the top leaves off the main stem here. And you can see both plants starting to get pretty even. But I did find some thrips, I believe, on the Chemdog. So got some Captain Jacks and I'm gonna spray the plants. Now I did search all around the tent, all over these leaves, under the leaves. I can't really find many more, if any, but better safe than sorry, so let's get to spraying. All right, I've got the plants all sprayed down, both on the top and underside of the leaves. And just a quick tip, if you're doing this, if you're spraying your plants for IPM, just make sure to do it shortly before the lights go out, because if you do it like right in the morning or in the middle of the day, these little droplets could magnify the light and burn your leaves. So, I waited till almost lights out to do this. But I'll be keeping an eye on the tent, on both plants, and make sure there are no more bugs. I will be doing another round or two of the spray, just for safety. But hopefully this will get rid of all the thrips. It is now the morning after spraying the Captain Jacks for the small thrips that I found. Unfortunately, came back in this morning, I did find a few more, so I will definitely be doing another round or two, maybe three, of the Captain Jacks to really make sure all those pests are gone. But other than that, today is watering day. It's been about 5 days since we've watered these. The top inch or two is completely dry, so now it's time to water again. And this time I did add some Cali Magic into the water because, as you can see, looks like magnesium deficiency. This intervenal yellowing that you see here, in between the veins of the leaves, usually indicates magnesium deficiency. So I got my water here, almost a gallon for each pot, and pH'd to 6.5.